Hallo allemaal, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some Dutch vocabulary related to food and drinks. If you love eating out, cooking, or just want to improve your Dutch daily life, this video is perfect for you. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's start with some basic words. You probably use these every day. Eten. Eten simply means food. You can use it to talk about any kind of meal. Drinken. This is what you drink. Pretty easy to remember, right? Drinken. Ontbijt. Ontbijt is what you eat in the morning. Lunch. Yes, just like in English, lunch means the same. Avondeten. Avondeten is your dinner, the meal you have in the evening. Now let's look at some common foods. You'll hear these words often in Dutch supermarkets or restaurants. Brood. Everyone loves bread, right? In Dutch we call it brood. Kaas. Kaas is a big part of Dutch culture. You have to try Dutch cheese. It's delicious. Groente. All kinds of vegetables are called groente. Fruit. Fruit is the same as in English, just pronounced a little differently. Vlees. If you eat meat, you often hear vlees in Dutch. Water. Water is easy to remember. Coffee. A favorite for many. Thee. This is another easy one. Tea is called thee in Dutch. Bier. And of course, beer is the Dutch word for beer. You find it in most Dutch cafes. Let's go over some phrases you might use in a restaurant. Mag ik de menukaart alstublieft? This is a polite way to ask for the menu. Mag ik de menukaart alstublieft? Ik wil graag. Use this phrase when ordering. For example, ik wil graag een koffie. Heeft u een vegetarische optie? Very useful if you don't eat meat. Heeft u een vegetarische optie? De rekening alstublieft. When you're ready to pay, just say this. De rekening alstublieft. That's it for today. I hope you learned some useful Dutch words for food and drink. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Dutch lessons. See you in the next video. Tot ziens!